Divorce changes everything, but it doesn't have to define you. These 7 unique self-care strategies can help you rebuild one step at a time. Self-care after divorce isn't about indulgence. It's about survival, growth, and rediscovering yourself. Forget cliches. These are real, actionable steps that can transform your days and your mindset. Strategy 1. Start your morning with intention. Most advice tells you to journal or meditate in the morning, but here's the twist. Combine intention with movement. Start your day by writing one word that represents your focus for the day. Then, move your body as you think about it. Write a word like peace, strength, or explore in your journal. While you stretch, do light yoga, or even tidy up, let that word guide your thoughts. It's a mind-body connection that sets the tone for your day. Your mornings are a chance to reclaim your power. Don't just rush through them, make them yours. Strategy 2. Move your body, even for just 10 minutes. Forget the gym. Instead, think of movement as an emotional reset. Dancing to your favorite song or a short walk outdoors can shift your mindset instantly. Create a playlist of songs that make you feel unstoppable. Spend just 10 minutes dancing, walking, or stretching as the music plays. It's not about fitness, it's about releasing stress. Movement doesn't have to be structured, just let it be joyful. Strategy 3. Cultivate a supportive community. Healing is easier when shared, but don't limit yourself to traditional support groups. Explore online communities for hobbies, book clubs, or wellness challenges. Join one new group or activity each month, whether it's virtual or in person. It doesn't have to focus on divorce. It's about building connections and rediscovering joy in shared experiences. Connection heals. And the more you engage, the more supported you'll feel. Strategy 4. Declutter your space. Decluttering isn't just about tidiness. It's about creating mental space. But here's the key. Start with one area tied to your emotions, like your bedroom or a personal drawer. Pick one small area. Ask yourself, does this item reflect the life I want to build? If not, let it go. Replace it with something meaningful, like a plant or a candle. Every item you release creates space for the person you're becoming. Strategy 5. Practice mindfulness daily. Mindfulness doesn't have to mean meditation. All mindfulness means is being present in the present moment. Practice it by trying active mindfulness, like paying attention to textures, sounds, or even tastes during your day. Choose one activity: washing dishes, drinking tea, or walking. Focus on the sensations, the warmth of the water, the aroma of your tea, or the crunch of leaves underfoot. This grounds you in the present moment. Mindfulness isn't an event. It's a habit of noticing the beauty in what you're already doing. Strategy 6. Nourish your body with real food. Food isn't just fuel, it's emotional support. But skip the fad diets. Focus on foods that make you feel alive and grounded, like fresh produce and whole grains. Commit to one simple change. Add one fresh ingredient to every meal. A handful of greens, a piece of fruit, or a sprinkle of seeds can make a world of difference. Small, mindful choices add up to a healthier, happier you. Strategy 7. Set healthy boundaries. Boundaries aren't about shutting people out. They're about creating space for yourself, and they're most powerful when they're clear and kind. Identify one area where you feel drained. Write down a boundary, like, I won't take calls after 8 p.m. or I'll reserve one day a week for myself. Practice enforcing it calmly and consistently. Boundaries protect your energy, allowing you to rebuild without guilt. The 7 strategies we just covered aren't only about recovery, they're about rediscovery. Dive deeper into the Self-Care Essentials playlist for more tools to help you thrive after divorce. Remember, healing starts with you. Subscribe for more tools to transform your life.